Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to make a DIY cell phone crossbody bag using this old pajamas that I have here. I already used this one from one of my crafting, so I will reuse this remaining fabric here. So just look at this. So earlier I already cut a square size of fabric from here, and this is it. So this is it, and this will gonna be look like this. Okay, I already saw this one earlier for my phone. I have two phones, so I will be making two like this one. Okay, so this for my two phones. I didn't remove this design, so that it already has a design on it, and this will be look like this also, and my phone will be putting here inside, and I will be putting it this way later on. One for my first phone and for the second phone that I have. And I will be using this lace for styling my phone cross body bag, and also these two buttons here, and thread, and a garter, and of course a needle. See, and I will be sewing a lot. I'm making a lot of sewing here, and also a scissor. So guys, come and join me guys, and don't leave me, okay? Keep on watching and join with me. So anyways, I will be making also a string for cross, for the string of this one, this bag, the long string from this fabric also. Okay, I will show you later, but I will stay this leave this one aside first, and I'll be working on this one. So the first one I already sewed it, but not yet at the bottom, so I will sew at the bottom first here. So I will be facing this side because the design is here, so I'll be facing it this way. So the dog is barking. You can also hear the dog barking, but it's okay. It's the part of our lives that we have dogs sometimes. So let the dog bark. Ow, ow, ow. So this is just a DIY, guys. So don't expect that this is really look like those can buy online, because this will not be look like on the online thing one. This is just a DIY one. Okay. So it's already done. Then it's finished sewing from here. And now this corner I will be pop it like this. I pop it and bend here. Okay, so I can remove my threaded needle. So it's already done. I will show you the corner of it. So this is the corner of the, okay, and also the same as the other one. I will be popping it like this and bend it here this way. So it's already done. Then, so this is how it looks like outside. So this is it. So now it's already done. The first one is already done, and now I am going to will proceed this one like this. I will measure first if it's the same size with my necktie. And this is it. I will be sewing it from here till here, okay? So it's done. Both ends, both corners. And now this is it. So guys, this is it. And so I already have two. Now I am going to attach this two here and also here. So this is the bottom part of the cross bag. So I already done sewing this one for the garter here. So now I am going to put the garter on. So this is it. Okay. You know guys, why I use garter, because it's easy to open. When I put the phone inside, I will just pull this one. So I no need to tie or anything. Just pull up the so it's already done, this one. Now I am going to put a garter, another garter. Anyways, where's my pen? Safety pin. Wait, I have to make a hole in here. I haven't made a hole. So okay, one hole is enough. And later on, after putting this garter, I will add a lace to style it. Wait, this is it. Because I use the string to put here, it's difficult to use when I use string, especially when I'm in a hurry. Then I have to now I will add the lace, okay, for to style it. So it's done. So this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, and now I'll be putting this strap. So I'll be putting this button to adjust the length of my cross. So this is it, guys, to adjust. And then I will be putting this one here again and the other one here. Okay, so where is it? Opposite of the hole is here. So guys, it's already done. Wait, I will just remove all those excess thread. So it's already done. I put 3 buttons on it to adjust the length. So meaning this is a adjustable one. So this is how I will use it. I will just sling it on my shoulder, cross. So this is it, guys. Okay, I will bring it this way. Okay, so there is 2 compartments on this one and 2 here, and at the middle there is a compartment also for money. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video on how I made a phone cross bag. Thank you guys. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next upload. Bye.